Finding time for a meeting can be hard enough itself, and the challenge only becomes harder with busy schedules and a lack of overview. This, however, is a problem that OnTime Group Calendar can solve. Let me show you how. To create an event, all you have to do is select the people you want to have in a meeting. You can select people by clicking on the person or by using the up and down arrows and then spacebar to select. Lastly, you can use the quick search and just type in the person's name, enter, and then spacebar to select. To get a better overview, you can always use the Show Selected button. This will isolate the people you have chosen, giving you a simple overview. In the top of the view, a visualization will appear of the group's collective availability, only showing times where everyone is available. If you can't find any available time slots in your preferred time frame, you can always prioritize people. You can deselect people in this column called the Meeting Assistant, and this means that the calendars won't be taken into consideration when searching for a time slot, but them still receiving the meeting invite and thereby letting them choose if they want to attend. And now it's time to create your event, whether that is a poll, a meeting, or a new group with your chosen colleagues. In this video, I'll only show you how to create a meeting, but we have other videos explaining both polls and groups. So you can create an event in different ways. You can either press Alt, N, and E for creating a new event, or you can also drag in the calendar and just release when you're satisfied with the time and duration. And now you can fill in the meeting form. The first step is to choose what kind of event it is. In this case, I'm creating a meeting. To the right, you can make the event private, so only the invitees and you can see what the meeting is. You can also add an alarm to remind you of the meeting. And if you check the Mark as Available box, it will not be blocking any time in your calendar, allowing people to invite you to other meetings. Next is the subject box, where you can name the event. You can change the date, time, and duration. To assist you in finding the best possible time, you can use the Find Time button. This allows you to get a big overview of every invitee's availability. You can easily make it a repeated meeting if you have any daily, weekly, or monthly meetings. In this section, you can see all the invitees, also allowing you to drag and drop between required and optional invitees. You can also choose FYU for just informing them that the meeting is being held. You can add a room or other resources, or just type in the location. If the meeting isn't held physical, you can always add an online meeting by choosing your preferred online meeting provider, and the link will be included in the invite. And lastly, you can add a category, giving colleagues a better overview of what type of meeting you're attending. If you want to change the time of the meeting, you can always use the scheduler, again helping you to find the best possible time. When you're done, just click Send. If you want to edit any of the meeting details after you have sent it, you can just double-click on the event and edit any of the details. If you only want to change the time, you can also just drag the event to your desired time slot. OnTime will automatically notify the invitees about the updates. You can also create meetings and appointments from your OnTime mobile, where many of the same features is available as well. If you still have questions about OnTime, we have made a whole playlist explaining all the smart features and functions, so keep watching if you're still curious. Thank you for watching.